I'm going to go show everybody the new baby that came. This is Asher, reborn by the talented Jacqueline Kramer. This is an amazing baby and I want to go show him off. You want to see my new baby? Look at it!
No way. That looks so real.
I know!
Holy cow.
You should hold him. He's like, he feels like a real baby. Look at that hair! Look at that hair! Don't you love how it's like lighter hair and darker hair? And oh my word!
Cool. Who reborn this?
Jacqueline Kramer. Hope I'm pronouncing her name right.
That's
That
crazy.
is so amazing. She's got to do one of my baby.
I've never held a realborn this real before. Get it out of here now. Just no, this is
I
really
want to take him home. If he disappears, then.
It's cool. Ooh, go show Katie.
Go show her. Look how pretty. Look at
I
that
know.
detail. Are you recording?
Mhm.
Look how detailed he is. So show people.
Wow. That's the Asher one.
Yep, this is the Asher. Jacqueline Kramer.
Go get my
photos.
Oh, how cute.
He feels real too.
Yeah, you do. Wake up.
She stuffed him really nicely. Wake up. I know. It's like he's gonna open his eyes any minute. Wanna see my new baby? Look at him.
Wow.
You should hold him. He feels real too.
I gotta show Shirley. You wanna see Jessica's new baby?
That is awesome. Heavy.
Look at that hair. My hair's my favorite part.
Oh, I know. Oh my gosh.
Look at my new baby. Just.
Oh my word, yeah.
Look at that.
It's fuzzy hair, that is so cute.
It's peach fuzz.
He's got some
It's
fuzz
all,
here.
I know,
and then
even
the
on his
darker hair
eyebrows
here.
and down his head. That's awesome. Cute. That's cool.
That makes you want one, huh? I want one.
Yeah. What baby is it?
This is Asher.
Asher
Oh,
asleep.
okay.
We have the Asher asleep, and we're pretty excited that we were able to get him. Now we have an awesome reborn to take to the doll show.
Yeah, that's way cool.
It looks like you are holding a real baby.
We gotta show this baby's mom.
It's gonna wake up soon.
Yeah.
I know. You're just waiting for it to wake up.
This is a really good sleeper.
Yeah, real.
Wow. Look. It's Mama's new baby.
I think how you're turning.
Is that a neat baby?
Yeah.
Look at the baby. Wow. My baby's still in my tummy. This is a different baby. She has to think for a minute.
Is it a doll or is it a real baby?
What do you think? What do you think? Is it a doll or is it a real baby?
Real baby.
A real baby? He's sleeping. His name's Asher.
Asher.
Yeah. Is that cool? Look, Kimber, did you see the baby?
Yeah.
Oh, careful. He's so soft.
know
Look,
it's
did you know it's a doll?
Yeah.
It's a doll. Does it look like a real baby?
Yeah.
That's a doll. Be so careful. It's a baby cute.
Mama, you have a baby
Okay,
named upstairs.
Aww.
Upstairs.
Well, have you seen Jessica's new baby? No?
Oh my word. That's amazing.
Do you want to pick him up?
Oh my goodness.
She wants him to wake up anyway.
Oh my goodness. Her baby's not due yet. I was like, wait
I was hoping
a
you didn't
second.
know how far along she was.
Oh my word, it looks real.
What do you guys think? Is that a real
Look
baby?
at the nose and the forehead.
yes.
And all.
He's even got
pores.
Doesn't that look like a real baby?
He's even got pores on
Look
his
at the
nose.
pores on the nose.
Oh my word.
And look at the little tiny hairs on the forehead and eyebrows. Little brown
Yeah.
hairs.
I can see them all.
Isn't that awesome?
Oh my goodness. Are you sure it's not real? You can touch it.
This is Asher.
Do you see this baby?
It's one of
Is that a
the.
real baby? Looks real, doesn't he? My word, that turned out so good.
It's one of them we scanned from a real baby.
That's amazing.
There is a live
Do you
real
like
baby
that,
like
Chrissy?
that.
Totally feels like a real baby.
We can't wait to show that one to his mom and dad.
Yeah,
what they
to the mom and dad of the
Of the
real
real
baby.
baby.
At first, it really was like, that looks real.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness.
Eliza
It even
still
like
thinks
to
it's
the
real.
touch, even to the touch, it feels real.
She saw it and I didn't tell her whether or not it was real. I said, she said, is that a real baby? And I said, do you think it is? And she's like, yes.
So that's actual reproduction from a real baby, though.
Wow.
Hands and everything.
Okay, wait, Josh. I gotta take a picture. We'll see if we can't psych your dad out. Say cheese, Josh. That looks like a real baby. Oh my word. Oh my goodness.
Okay, at first I thought
Unless
it
you
was
finish
real.
your photography session with the baby.
You thought it was real till your mom told you it wasn't, huh?